everybody, it is Andy Meets Disney, and we are getting ready to kick off our series, Getting Disney Ready.
Yep, so today we want to bring you along with us as we pack for our infant for our Disney trip that's coming up really soon. So we have a 4-month-old Gemma that'll be going to Disney with us once again, and we want to make sure that we've got everything ready in her luggage so we are prepared when we are away from home.
Yeah, so we've got everything laid out here for you, and we're going to walk you through each and every part, so come along with us.
Taking a little one to Disney is so much fun, especially a little one that's a girl. It is so much fun to plan her outfits for the day. So if you zoom in to our chaos of clothing, we have all of her frilly outfits ready for Disney. We just need to organize them a little bit more. We've got her swimsuits, we've got her adorable outfits, everything and anything that she might need. And one thing we also have in here is some Ziploc bags. So I wanted to mention to you ways that I've seen other moms utilize Ziploc bags. So you might notice that ours are just kind of in piles right now. We'll organize those a little bit more, but some mamas actually end up putting their kids' outfits inside of a Ziploc bag for each day of their trip. So they've got Monday's outfits, they've got the top in there, they've got the undies in there, they've got the bottoms in there, the socks, the shoes, if it's a special pair of shoes, the headbands, whatever it might be, all inside of one Ziploc bag for the day. Now, we don't do that because our Gemma is only 4 months old, and honestly, she's gonna go through more than one outfit in a day. So for us, it doesn't make sense to do that and plan just one outfit for the day. We're just gonna throw some extra clothes into the diaper bag. But we do utilize Ziploc bags in some other ways that we'll show you. So our little girl has headbands galore. So we have put all of her headbands inside of one bag so they're easy to find inside of her suitcase and inside of her luggage, because the motto in our house is if she doesn't have a bow on her head, she's not going anywhere. No bow, no go. And we'll show you some other ways that we use Ziploc bags as well.
All right, just continuing on with some more of those Ziploc bags and some different ways we divide up the suitcase. Here's just another one for example. So this is kind of her outdoor gear that she'll need. So we have in here like her swim diapers, we have her outdoor shades, so she can look extra cool and protect her eyes at the same time. We also have her protective hat that she can wear when she's outside. And of course, when it's in the Ziploc bag, makes it easy for us to find and be able to use.
Another bag that we have full of Gemma's things is kind of her medical toiletry bag for a baby. So we've got her fingernail clippers are in this cute little owl thing. She grows fingernails like crazy, and we've got to clip them at least once or twice a week. So we definitely want to make sure we take those with us so that her razor blades get cut off of her fingers. And then we also have some baby Tylenol in case she were to get sick when we were down there. We want to make sure we're preventing anything and have things in case we need them. We have things like baby lotion for after she bathes, things like that. We have some special baby shampoo and body wash. We want to make sure that we love the Disney body wash that's down there, but we don't, and just in case Gemma has sensitive skin, we want to make sure we bring things that are good for her skin, that we know are good for her skin. We have things like snot suckers and saline spray and booger pickers and ear pickers, things like that that parents just need. So we like to have all of those inside of a Ziploc bag, see-through, so we can find it really easily, and things that you just might need. We want to make sure we've got them on hand for us.
All right, one final bag that we have here is kind of the stuff for cleaning those bottles, because you're going to have bottles that need to be cleaned unless you own like a bajillion bottles, or bottles you can just throw away every night. So we bring our dish soap, we bring our bottle scrubber to clean those out each and every night. And of course we haven't packed any bottles yet because we will have to clean those between now and then before it's time to take off on our trip. One other thing to note is we don't have any diapers in here, we don't have any formula in here, and we don't have any wipes in here. And you say, aren't you going to need those? Of course we're going to need those, but we don't pack those in our bag just because airlines regulate you to 40 pounds per bag. And if you over that 40 pounds, you're talking some big bucks. So we have those delivered to our rooms. So we just go through like Instacart or Amazon Prime or Ship, use one of those companies and have them just delivered to our room. And we found out that saves us some money in the long run. So that might be something you might think about on your next trip. Okay, and for our diaper bag, we always pack these items. So we have our baby formula dispenser, And we'll talk more about this in our upcoming video that's all about packing your diaper bag and your stroller and getting it all ready for Disney. And then we also will pack our fans, and we'll talk about how we optimize these and use these for the parks in that video as well. We also pack an extra bag for dirty outfits. We always bring blankets to cover up the stroller. And then we also have our changing pads, kind of a regular one and then some disposable ones that we bring along as well.
And then one other thing that we always make sure we take with us on our Disney vacation is our baby Bajorn carrier, our baby carrier. We love this so much. We're actually not going to pack it inside of our suitcase because it's something that we are going to utilize in the airport. We're going to utilize on the airplane, and then when we get there as well. So we want to have this on pretty much all the time, just because Gemma loves to be worn. It's really good for her just to be close, cuddled, and it helps her to fall asleep pretty easily too. So this puppy goes on every Disney vacation with us.
So we hope this video has helped you get Disney ready and preparing your infant for your next Disney vacation.
Yep, we hope that you picked up some tips from us and some good ideas of things to make sure that you take along with you on your next Disney vacation. We appreciate you guys watching this video today. If you're not already, become a subscriber to our YouTube family, like this video, and until next time, we will
See you real soon. Bye, guys.
Bye.